Hello everyone, my name is Huyền. This is my homework. Okay, let me start my homework. You're welcome to join us. 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 Okay, the next. I arrived yesterday morning. I arrived yesterday morning. I arrived yesterday morning. I arrived yesterday morning. Okay, and now I'm so happy to be here to share for you a little bit my knowledge about English. You know, English is the language, but it's not just language. It's also a very important tool and powerful weapon. It's necessary skill for our life and the success in the 21st century. You know, English is very widely used. It is spoken by people in England, the United States, Australia, India, and many other countries all over the world. It's one of the working languages at international meetings. Most international business letters are written in English. Thousands of books and magazines are written in English. To know English, you will find you can enjoy so many books. English is really rich to so much knowledge. If you master English, you master the world. But you know, many people worried about learning English. They think English is difficult and it's hard to memorize new words and grammatical rules. In fact, you know, learning English can be a piece of cake. Don't worry about pronunciation. Don't worry about grammar. Don't be afraid to make a mistake. Just try to speak. Sure, don't worry. Many people often ask that how to learn English well, how to speak English fluently. Sure, keep calm and don't worry about it. Because right here, right now, I will share for all of you the secrets of speaking good English. If you want to speak good English, there are many things you must do. You must keep on practicing. You must keep on working hard. You must keep on making mistakes, and you must keep on losing face. You know, you learn to speak only by speaking. So the most important key to speaking well is speaking. Speak as loudly as possible. Speak as clearly as possible. Speak as quickly as possible. The more you speak, the better English will be. The more mistakes you make, the more progress you will make. These are secrets of speaking good English. Everyone can make it. Everyone can be an English speaking genius. Thank you for coming. Okay, that's so a little bit my knowledge about learning English. And I hope in the near future I will share for all of you many things about learning English, because I want to improve my English skill. I want to have other people master English. So I think you and I should learning English together. Okay, thank you so much. Thank you for watching my video. Okay, goodbye.